Hi, this is Siddharth from Infotech Lead. Today Google announced Tez, an app for digital payments and commerce. Built on Indian government supported unified payment interface, Tez allows you to make small or big payments straight from their bank accounts, free of charge. Tez works in partnership with 4 banks: Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank and State Bank of India to facilitate processing of payment across over 50 UPI enabled banks. Here are the bits from the interaction of officials at Tez launch.
Connection to UPI and the payment infrastructure is provided by 4 banks rather than one. But we've chosen to work with India's 4 largest banks, who we have had a fantastic partnership with. Having those multiple providers gives the system more resilience, more redundancy, and creates more choice for our users.
So, how does it play out given the fact that these 4 banks have their own UPI powered wallet?
So I think the way the banks are looking at this is they believe in UPI and they believe in the payments ecosystem. It's in everybody's interests across the economy and the banks that people continue to progress along the road to digital payments. So they see this as just another part of building their ecosystem and creating more digital payment use amongst users across India. So it's a positive thing for them.
Thanks.
Hi, Shruti with Indian Express. I wanted to know, Beam app syncs with the device, binds with the device, and I noticed that in Tez it also says whether you should, when you're, but does Tez also do the same thing because it requires that I have the same SIM as the one linked to the device, to the bank account, and it also, I think in the settings it also says remove this from the device when I was changing phones. Can you just talk about those features?
So I think for us, there are a couple of principles here. The first is adhering to the UPI framework, which has a series of regulations around how VPAs are attached and unattached, and the timeframes and the regulations around those. And the second is our concern for user privacy and user control. And those are the two defining issues. So those are the two principles that govern it.
It does bind to the device.
Yeah, it does bind, and that's actually a UPI requirement. It's something specified, so all UPI apps have to work in that manner.
So if I switch phones, then I move to another phone, and I install Tez on another phone, do I need to first unbind it from my last phone? Will that pose a security issue?
No, the question here was, if I switch phones, do I have to unbind before I bind? No, we'll automatically do that. So with your latest active Tez is the one that is going to be active. And also, if for example you lose your phone or it gets stolen, then you can always disable the phone from far away and from remotely. And so there's a number of these security features that we built into Tez because we know security is one of the most important things when people are using payment apps.
Still right here.
Hi, this is Aarti from DC Circle. So we are seeing that you are giving a lot of reward customers. So can you tell us the marketing budget that you have allocated for this project?
I'm afraid we don't discuss the details of our marketing budget.
But you seem to be doing a lot of things, to attract the same base of users from Paytm, MobiKwik and other, Beam app and also. Who do you see as the biggest competition?
So I think the first thing I'd say there is really to reiterate Caesar's point. We see our primary competitor as cash. This is just the start of building India's digital payments ecosystem, and there's a huge amount of scope, both for growth and for innovation. So we think there's plenty of room for many, many players here. So when we set out, we don't see ourselves as competing against any particular other provider.
In fact, I think we all are competing against cash. Right? Cash, because of its prevalence and its simplicity, is something that we have to create digital payments that are easier than that. We can't force people off it. It has to be something that people want to move off. So therefore, we feel we, other players in the market who are there, are all trying to work together to get us to this future.
And do you think, given that Google's entry and the kind of accessibility that Google has in the Indian market or anywhere in the globe, do you think that Google's entry can mark the wipeout of some of the players in the space?
Look, as I again said, the opportunity here is so big. There is enough room for people to innovate, and not just room. We need everybody to innovate, right? Competition is good. It keeps making all the products better. We are very, very, very early in this game. India is still a cash-based economy, and for us to move forward, we have to look at how to expand this pie and get more people into the system. So that's how we're thinking about it. The big thing here though is because we're basing this on UPI, one of the beauties of UPI is that it's an open standard. So as UPI expands, whether it's through Tez or through another of the UPI apps, the system and the entire ecosystem becomes better for everyone. And that's really powerful because of this interoperability between all the different apps on UPI. It's not a zero-sum game. It's a game that improves and it makes the world better for everyone. If you know Google, you know we won't tell you any market shares.
Gautam from Business Today. How will Google make money? What's the monetization plan for?
I think Sudha alluded to this. As Google, our focus is on building a really, really exciting app that is simple, secure, and adds real value to users. Google tends not to think about monetization in any early stages of that. We believe if we build a really exciting, compelling product that adds value, we can think about that down the track. So that isn't our primary focus. We're about building a great product for users.
My question is on data privacy. Is this app, when I say I agree, mines data from my phone? Question number 2. Is that you are using servers based in India under the Indian jurisdiction? Point number 3. Does these servers have mirror servers abroad, out of jurisdiction of India? Thank you.
So first of all, privacy is extremely important to us. Even more important, the security of our users' data is very important. You mentioned the point about does this take your data? Today, if you use any app, any product, any service, you are generating data, right? So having data is neither something unique nor something exclusive, right? Everybody has data. So the right question to be asked is, what is being done with your data, right? And how are the companies using your data? We use data to make the product better for you. And we will do this always with your consent and with your approval. But what's more important is we always give every user across our products the ability to, at any point of time, delete all their data, to take their data, or do whatever they want with the data, because this data belongs to you. So that's something that's actually built into the product. It's part of our ethos. That's how we're going to be treating it. Your second question around localization, we're following all the rules and regulations of the land. Right now, this data is in the Google Cloud, which is very secure, and we don't talk about where the Google Cloud is situated or which parts of the Google Cloud are where.
It is in the jurisdiction of Indian courts, yes or no?
It's as per jurisdiction, obviously. When we launch a product, all our products follow the rule of the law and are under the jurisdiction of whichever courts have precedence there. But we are looking at working with the wallet providers. For us, we see ourselves as a platform. So the platform is all about the user experience of enabling people to pay people nearby. It's about helping people pay people you know, helping people pay businesses. I think what is below the covers is the payment network, and we are not in the payment network. In this case, we're working with the banks. We're happy to work with the credit card vendors as we talked about, and we'll work with the wallet vendors also.
So the other thing is that, for example, Samsung has got its own VPA called PinPay. Google specifically chosen not to have its own VPAs, or is that also a part of the plan?
So the current NPCI rules are that only banks can own those. So PinPay is actually owned by Samsung's payment service provider, not by Samsung. We at the moment, the banks are the exclusive owners of the VPAs.
Also, where do you stand on the issue of MDR when you work with merchants? Is that a mode of monetization that you'll be looking at, because UPI merchant transactions have an MDR involved? Is there a split that you get from the banks? How does this work?
MDR is charged by the banks, as you know, and we don't get a split.
Caesar, thanks.
Hi, Vivek this side. I have two questions. The first one is that are you planning to do something with the NFC payment? Are you bringing something and going to pay in a restaurant or something? And there is something. First thing. Second thing is that are you bringing what about the GST? If I'm paying someone, the money I have to pay, and where the GST will be going on. Third thing is that if I'm paying someone, which bank I want to accept, is it my choice? I have
So first question, we chose not to go with NFC very explicitly because very few phones in India have NFC. Only about 16 to 18% of phones have NFC, and a very large number of point of sale terminals also don't have NFC. So which is why we built this special protocol called audio QR using SAM. As you know, we have a very good NFC technology that we use called Android Pay. But in India, we realized to get to most of the users, we need to reach not just the users who have the most expensive, fancy phones, but also all users who have existing phones. So that was the first question on NFC.
I was just saying that that's absolutely been our priority, is to focus on the breadth of users across MPI. Obviously, in future, if we bring in credit card functionality, it would be entirely possible for us to bring that NFC functionality as well.
I think your second question
GST.
was GST. GST is going to be charged by whatever the system or the app that in the bank that the merchants are using. We're not on that floor.
Choice of bank.
Yes, the choice of bank is always your choice. So if whatever you can choose between whatever bank you have, and you can change your bank accounts as well as your payment service provider.